So I'm finishing up the assembly on this coffee table and I'm ready to attach the top. And if you've done any amount of woodworking, you probably already know that a solid wood top is going to want to expand and contract with changes in humidity. So you don't want to just screw this directly to the base because it's going to want to constrict that expansion and contraction and it could eventually crack. So a good solution would be using these metal Z-clips. I believe that's French for the clips, Z-clips, right? So you can use these, and with a little forethought, you'd cut a kerf in the apron of your base, and then one end of the Z-clip goes into that, and then you can screw that down, and that'll hold your top down. You know, do these all the way around, it's gonna hold your top down, still allow for that expansion and contraction. But if you don't wanna buy the metal version, you can make your own. And it's just a tiny block of wood with a rabbet cut on the end to create a tongue, and that tongue will fit right into that groove. And then you can take a screw and screw that in place the same way you would the metal clip. Of course, if I'm making these, I don't want to take this tiny little block of wood and use the dado blade or a router bit to cut that rabbet. That would be dangerous. My fingers would be way too close to the sharp bits. So what I did, start with a longer workpiece and then do my dado on, I can do it on both ends, and then drill my holes and then cut all of my pieces free when it's time to do that. And when you're done, you got your small wood clips. So if you want to save money and make your own, or just maybe stick it to the French, you can make your own Freedom wood clips.